So let's try and evaluate this limit. So to evaluate this limit, we would need to multiply out the brackets. So multiplying out the brackets, x plus h squared, so that would be x times x, that would be x squared, x times h, so that would be xh, h times x, that would be hx, and then h times h, that would be h squared. So these two are actually the same. So merging them together, it would be 2xh. You've got your x squared, and then you've got your h squared. So now when you multiply this out, it would then be, hang on, lim, multiply out the brackets, it would then give you this thing here. So that would be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then you've got your minus, and then you've got your x squared, and then you've got over h. Take the limit as h tends to 0. So now now notice that the x squared, so they will cancel each other out, giving you, hang on, they will cancel each other out, hang on, giving you this thing here. So now if you try and put 0 into the h, and then it's 0 into the h, 0 into the h, you're going to get 0 over 0, which is meaningless. You can't determine anything. So the trick here is to, well, it is this h that's causing you all the problems, because you're pretty much dividing by 0. So notice that h is in common, so you factor out the h. So it would be like this. H times what would give me 2xh? It happens to be 2x. H times what would give me h squared? It happens to be h. And then over h, and then take the limit as h tends to 0. So now the two h's, they cancel each other out, giving you lim, the two h's cancel each other out, giving you 2x plus h. Take the limit as h tends to 0. Now imagine this bubble here heading towards 0. So all that's left will be 2x plus 0. So that would be 2x. So this is your final answer. Okay?